Hi everyone, let me show you my March kit from Paper Rose Studio. So these are the things that I selected for this month. Let me first show you the extra things that I bought. This is the Big Sentiments A5 size 12 sheets. So they have birthdays, thank yous, congratulations and get well soon. So we have it in a line as well, and then we have some big sentiments. These are all in white and black base. So these are perfect for cards and as well as scrapbooking. Okay, the next thing I bought is this beautiful embossing folder. This is a plaid design. It's perfect for men's themes or babies or any winter theme as well. This will look perfect for the cards. The next thing that I bought are these dies. This is a floral long strip that can be used to enhance the cards as well as some pop-ups. That's the next one. This is a mason jar die with this beautiful topper, and these can be perfect for making gift tags or mini albums. Then I bought this nesting die. This is a beautiful different kind of shape that I loved, and it has 4 dies, and this is perfect for layering for your cards and envelopes as well as some scrapbooking. Then this is another one. This is a wheat grass field. Again, I'm just planning to do some beautiful pop-ups with this die, so really looking forward to use these. The next is just Easter is around the corner. I bought this Rustic Easter. This is the latest collection from Paper Rose Studio. These are embossed die cuts, and they have 4 sheets. So if you see, there's a glazy shine to all these beautiful elements, and these are pre-cut. You can just pop these out and it's ready to use on your cards and journals. Look at this finish, and they have this perfect white border on them, so they are really great and just instant for all your scrapbooking needs. Isn't that wonderful? And then the next one I bought is the same Rustic Easter collection. This is a 6x6 paper pad. So this one is Rustic Easter 6x6. Look at this springy beautiful colors and patterns. So it's a bit rustic color, so they have a bit of a shabby rusty look and effect to it. And then we have these beautiful animals and these eggs. The color palette is soothing, and it's great for your spring projects. Get this stored with a beautiful egg wreath. I love this. Okay, and since these are double-sided, I'll show you the back as well. So these can be good for you making backgrounds. So the color palette is yellow, blues, browns and greens. And yeah, love the dogs. Now then the patterns just repeat themselves. And next collection I have chosen from Paper Rose Studio is this one, Candy Kisses Color Paths and Candy Kisses Basics. So let me first show you the color paths. These color paths are, you have to firstly cut them out, and so you have 18 sheets of this single-sided papers. So look at this caravan, flower shop, some tags and beautiful cafes, some windows. These are all perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, decors, or even Valentine's. I love this collection. These are so beautiful. Look at this basket and teacups and beautiful car. And then there's a girl sitting in the sofa as well. Then a house and vintage luggage. So this is the designs that that's beautiful. And this, look at this clock here, this tag, and then the designs repeat themselves. Okay, Candy Kisses Basics, it has these patterns. This is greens, blues and reds. So let me open this up and show you. So at the back we have beautiful sentiments. These are one-liners, and that's special. They are perfect for any occasions. And we have this plaid with this roses and beautiful polka dots, some grungy wall and some diagonal stripes here. These are beautiful gift tags repeating pattern. And then we have normal stripes, and the wooden background with polka dots, flowers, green, and then blue diagonal stripes with polka dots, and then the patterns repeat themselves. And they have this perfectly strip down at the bottom. They are very beautiful for breaking patterns and formatting the sentiments as well. The next thing in the same collection is candy treats color parts. So candy treats and candy kisses, the color palette is quite similar, so you can mix and match these elements together. Since I couldn't resist making something for the parties or home decor, so I thought these are perfect elements for party decors. Look at these beautiful cupcakes, macaroons, and this icing in the teacups, coffee cup, and they are just beautifully done with cherries, and I love cherries, so I couldn't resist this beautiful color parts. Okay, and then the patterns repeated themselves, so I'm going to combine all of these to make something beautiful for you. In my last month kit, I ordered the Rainbow Garden Basics pattern. So this was the pattern paper that I ordered, and this was the Rainbow Garden paper pack. So just coordinating with these two projects, these two papers, I ordered these ones. So these are Rainbow Garden color parts and Rainbow Birthday embossed die cuts. So let us see these beautiful Rainbow Garden color parts. I love these because they have a combination of these gnomes, these insects, butterflies, dragonflies, and these houses, and beautiful umbrellas adorned with these flower. So watering cans with the flowers, and this bucket full of flowers, and I just love these rainbow colors. These are perfect for any occasion and any age groups. So I am just mesmerized with these beautiful patterns, and I'm going to surely make something out of this. And then this one is the cute cats and dogs for the birthday die cuts. Since these are the embossed ones, they have beautiful glaze out of these, and they have some cakes, presents, and they can be perfect for the cards. So I'm going to make lots of birthday cards here, and I will show you some beautiful inspirations. Should you choose to buy any of these products, then find the links of these products in the description box below. Those are my affiliate links, and you don't have to pay anything extra, but that will be a really supporting gesture for my channel. So thank you so much for watching.